I heard them say
I
back
don't
to the
know.
field.
Med kit. I'm gonna keep running.
Hey, don't go too far. I'm coming. And I think we have to get. I think you can stop the elevator anyways.
I think I hear a tank.
I hear a boomer.
Yep, tank.
Where?
I don't know, but it sounds like it. I gotta find it first. I'm in through all the grass. Oh no, it's Boomer.
You can take the elevator back up.
Coming?
I'm right here. I took the long way around, the scenic route. Cool. Oh my gosh, I was inside your body, Cole, and I saw your mouth, and that was creepy. Okay, ready, go.
Get ready to kill the. Also, this affects our hearing as well. Slice!
Oh,
Slice
yeah.
the charger! Slice the charger! Slice the charger!
I lost my katana when I died.
Oh, you did? Crap. So I'm the only one who's not died yet. I would stay away from these edges. The game may just push us off the edge.
Yeah. Back down the stairs.
We're going back down. We're pretty much going back. Back to the stinking... There's a
Back
boomer
to
over there.
the boat. Alright, let's go.
Michelle just
One,
jumped
two,
off. Check these buildings. There's probably stuff in them now. Isn't this look more flooded than it was before?
Yes.
Guns here.
Did you go up there?
I'm all the way over here.
I know. I'm like, how'd you? Did you just?
Michelle's over here with me. I just climbed across the buildings.
I know. That's that. I just realized I saw that.
Oh, Spitter.
Yeah, they
Thanks for
just
showing.
died. Okay, ready to go?
Yep.
Do you not have a normal weapon? Like a gun?
Yeah, I have a assault rifle.
Oh, you do.
Yeah.
There's a silent. Oh, there's a katana in here.
A what?
A katana.
Yeah. The katana bros are back. Oh, another pipe bomb too.
I still have my pipe bomb. I'm just waiting for another horde.
Oh, charger! Tank! Tank! Tank!
Tank?
Kill it! It's behind you.
I got it. I'm hitting it. I think I got a point to where it can't come get me. Kill it.
Okay,
Good
I
job.
killed it.
Ah, Spitter, hit me. I mean, jockey, just shoot it. Shoot it.
There you go.
After we finish the campaign, we need to go play in versus. Play as the zombies. Frying pan, pistol, adrenaline.
Adrenaline shot here.
Oh, you need a heal.
I have pills. Oh.
Adrenaline shot here.
I'm gonna take my pills.
Why did you heal?
Grabbing a shot.
I took pills.
You could have got your health fully up. That's the point of the health kit.
Oh no, Rochelle's doing it.
Okay. Did you just waste pills?
Rochelle's like my mom.
Hey, coming. Witch.
Yeah, I'm coming. What?
I hear a witch.
I do too.
Coming.
Come on,
Stay on the edge.
go.
Don't jump down there if you can.
We can get across the water here.
Spitter.
Step up to the plate. Ugh.
I think a smoker's over there as well. So watch
Oh
out.
wow, this is.
No. Oh, what the heck? Kill that thing. Kill right behind you.
Oh,
Kill it. It's right. Just hit it.
I was stuck. My character got stuck on something. I'm still stuck on something.
There's a charger down there. Good thing we're up here.
That ended quickly.
A little pick me up.
Okay,
Where is
she?
this witch?
I don't know. Should we jump down?
If we can help it, let's try not to for a second.
Oh well, I did.
Let's definitely not do it. Let's definitely not fight her in the storm.
I'm going inside. You need a heal, Cole.
I took the pills. I'm full at the moment with pills. Will this give me full? It does.
Here, let me heal you.
I'm fine. I have 89 health at the moment. Just wait for my pills to run out, then you can heal me. I am sitting right here and just slicing.
Oh, I know. That's like the best tactic.
I hear her. Where is
I
she?
hear the.
Watch out.
Ah.
Get out of that. I see her. She's on the roof up there.
Oh,
You
it's
see her?
here. Here.
I'm gonna snipe her from
I'll
here.
go for it. Oh, you are. Okay.
She jumped down. I think I killed her. Did she come for you?
No. Oh, she's right here.
No, she's right here. Oh, there's another one?
No, she like charged up right where I was. Okay, so. We
Oh, that's
need to move.
Coach down there. I thought that was you.
No, that was Coach. I'm up here.
We need to go this way, across this thing right here.
Cross what thing?
Right here. The pipe right there. Pipe right here. Right here.
Oh. I see it.
Smoker's terrible.
This is
Crap.
easier now.
I fell.
At least I can see now with the flashlight back on.
Oh no.
Grabbing a shot.
Okay. Where are we going now?
1 second, I fell. Coach followed me.
Oh no.
Boomer, watch out.
Oh, where?
Right underneath us, I think. Good job.
Mm.
Where did we go now? This way, over here. Over here.